Welcome to Study Loop.
Okay, so problem 104 sort of gives us this hypothetical. We have some little young saplings and they have these branches. Okay, and someone came along and trimmed a bunch of them, right? So they've been cut. Okay, so cutting them off, and the ends then on some were either treated with a sealant or not. The ones that were treated with a sealant fared better, and the ones that were not sort of just did not look good, weren't surviving. And so the question is, why might that be? Now, if we were to take a cross section of one of these small branches that were cut, right? If this is our cross section, we're going to have the epidermis, followed by there's the cortex, and then the endodermis, and then the sort of vascular tissue on the inside here. Okay, now the thing is, much like with humans, the endodermis plays a role as being a line of defense against pathogens, right? It's why open wounds are something that need to be covered and taken care of, is to keep pathogens from entering into the more susceptible areas of the body, right? And it's going to be the same thing for plants. This epidermis plays like a line of defense, and once you sort of cut and expose all this stuff in the inside, particularly the vascular tissue, you're exposing it to pathogens that otherwise wouldn't have been able to get in. And so if you seal it by adding a sealant, you're sort of mimicking the epidermis, which allows it to stay healthy. But for the ones that aren't sealed, the pathogens are then able to enter. And so the answer we're looking at for this question is going to be C, pathogens.